My name is Gildas and I'm a high ticket closer, also a civil engineer. Since a young age, not coming from a very rich family, I always wanted to achieve some financial success, impact people around me, and most importantly, I learn from the right people. So having the right mentorship is really, really important to me. So I remember one day I was just watching some video on YouTube, then I saw a video from Dan Lok about his last book, A Few Money, and I really liked the content, I really enjoyed the content. His teaching really resonated with me. So day after day, watching more video from Dan Lok, I saw the video with Stephen James talking about the HCC program. So that's how I got to watch the webinar and I decided to join the program because by then I already believe 100% in that love teaching and his mentorship. The difference between this program and any other program is that here the love teach us one skill that is in high demand in the marketplace. But not only he teach us the skill, but first he help us having the right mindset, then the skill, and then how to take action properly so we can be successful. And Dan Lok and his team are always really supportive. Kevin and Desmond, they are always there to help us grow and be successful. Something that really surprised me with this program is this huge, amazing family that we have with people from all around the world, where we are really supportive to each other, helping each other grow and be successful. Like before I joined the program, I wasn't really someone that can open up easily to other people, but having this family, it makes a huge difference. Love you guys. And Dan Lok really impacted me in a very profound way because of learning about his personal story and going through his teachings, I realized that no matter what your past or your current situation, you should not let that bring you down, but instead you should use your past or your current situation as a motivation to move towards your dreams. Right? So having learned that skill, 12 months from here, I see myself making at least 6-figure income and being a full-time entrepreneur. Now for you guys who are skeptical or having some excuse about how to fund the money to invest into this program, like why would you be skeptical about investing in the program to learn a skill that is in high demand in the marketplace? And I mean, at any moment of your life, you could use the skill to generate a high income for yourself and your family, right? So making this investment in yourself will be the best decision to make. No one can ever steal the skill from you, and not even the government cannot task what you are doing. Right? Now, if you are saying I don't have the money abroad, let me tell you how I made this spend. Like I just received my bi-weekly paycheck. I remember when I made the first payment for this program. I was broke for 2 weeks. My fridge was almost empty, and I had no money to pay for the gas in my car. So I just parked my car and I was taking the bus to go to work. Right? Now, why did I do that? Because I thought about the return on investment. Why not invest my money right now, invest my time, and I'll be making my money back very quickly, right? And I'll be making a lot of money. Right? There are some people into this program that were already making some money even before the end of the program. So if you think that right now you don't have the money you have broke, that's even more a reason why you should find a way, find the money to invest into this program to learn the skill that will free you from your financial struggle. So I really hope to see you guys inside of the program so we can live together this unique, amazing, and lifetime experience together, grow together, and be successful together.